What is up, guys? This is Chris with Leveling Up Your Finances, and I have a different video for you guys today. However, I slept through all of my alarms, and that's not going to happen. But just like any of you guys, I like to lay in bed and read all my notifications before I get up, and I kept getting all these alerts about Bitcoin, and then also ADA. And let's just say we had a good day yesterday and a good night last night, and I could not share this information with you. So I was going through my emails this morning, and I found this CoinDesk, I think it's called like First Movers. Yep. First Mover newsletter. Get on it if you guys haven't. It's always packed full of knowledge. If you guys aren't following CoinDesk, I think I said Coinbase, CoinDesk, go get on their website, get on their newsletters. Absolutely great information. And it's a brief overview of what's going on, but packed full of knowledge. And like you'll see, this whole thing is highlighted for you guys. So I just want to jump right into it because it is great. Okay, Bitcoin witnessed a small relief rally and is up 3.4% on the day. Analysts think this is likely to be short-lived, however, sad day. I agree, it probably is. It's probably just a little quick bounce here. However, it is something. We've been down like 16%, so it's something. This is the one that really got me excited, and I was like, dang it, I should have bought more on Friday. I knew it, and I should have done it because I like to swing trade as well. I'm long-term on both of these projects. Well, definitely long-term on both of them. However, I do like to swing trade, and at 25%, I would have locked in some profits for sure. But Cardano spiked 25% over the last 24 hours. When I got that notification, I was like, damn it. I know you guys, like, hindsight's 2020, right? I was like, Friday even, because I always buy stuff on Friday. I don't know why. End of the week, I guess. And I was like, I need to buy some more ADA. It is too low for me. I want to buy more. And I didn't. So, sad day. Bitcoin has finally seen some relief and has soared above last week's low of 28,500. The world's largest crypto by market cap, a 3.4 over last 24 hours, is trading around 31,600. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. It's over 30 or 30K. I don't care. That's nice. Bitcoin has tumbled roughly 16% over the course of May. There you go, 16% for May. And it was at one point down to the lowest since late 2020. Bitcoin has reached a high of 32,200 on Monday, so yesterday, and performed significantly better than the S&P 500 futures, while American took Memorial Day holiday. I didn't even get to eat barbecue yesterday. Rest in peace, bros and sisters, to Valhalla. It was a sad day for a lot of people. So, but getting back, this is a short-term trend for BTC, and the current signals are not substantial and could reverse very quickly. Again, agreed. I still see trading range around 30K. Yeah, exactly. That's what everyone's saying right now. I have some people that are saying down to like 15K. I don't know if it will ever get that low again, but nobody ever really knows. And these people are smarter than me, so maybe they do know something. I'm just an idiot on YouTube, and I don't know why you guys listen to me. I'm just reading basically what everyone else says. I'm just reading it to you guys because you guys are too lazy to read it yourself, even though I'm right here reading it to you. Right? Right. It's a partnership. I still see trading level at our 30K level, which could break as downward pressure is still compromised. And that's from Pablo from Storm Partners. Said that despite the rebound of Bitcoin, the fundamentals have not changed. Okay. We might see Bitcoin going further upwards to 35K this week as some short sellers get liquidated and will need to buy back, but we still remain bearish for the short term. Sad, Pablo. The real question is, can Ether break 2,000 again? Yes, that's what I care about. I actually do care about Ether. Ether had like a bad week last week, and I care more about Ether because Bitcoin we know is coming back. Ether we know is coming back, but like, what's it coming back to? That's what I care about. As altcoins try to readjust to Luna, the whole Luna thing, still crazy. You guys know what's going on with Luna. It's absolutely nuts. Yeah, all altcoins have been doing pretty harsh right now. Bitcoin definitely still has dominance in the market. It's a bear market, so obviously Bitcoin's number one. Ether is up 4% on the day, though. That's nice. Above 1,900. Nice. But yeah, see, last week, Ethereum witnessed outflows of 11.6 million. And ETH performed considerably worse than Bitcoin did last week. Total year-to-date inflows of all crypto-backed funds currently is amount to about $520 million. Both last year, the inflows were about $6 billion, so it's a little bit different. I mean, they're pretty close. Not even, not even. So almost 500 million compared to 6 billion. That's pretty insane difference. Altcoins all saw, well, not all altcoins also saw positive increases over the last 24 hours, with Cardano's taking the lead, soaring by 27%. I love Cardano. Was it 16%, and Near Protocol at 12%. And then this one, I need a deep dive into these guys. AXS, it's an for play to earn game. It's soared 29% over the last 24 hours. That's pretty insane. That could be a fun one just to like play. I don't know about long term. Obviously, I need to do my research. If you guys know anything about it, comment down below and let me know. Send me some stuff. Send me some info. I'd like to look at it. Look it up. So for market moves by, yes, crypto markets added some 4.4% to overall capitalization in the past 24 hours, as Bitcoin saw signs of bottoming out and traditional markets showed strength at the start of the week. Again, Cardano led the gains among crypto majors with 17% rise to trade over 64 cents on Tuesdays. They have over 5 million assets, have now been minted on Cardano. Again, that's pretty impressive. With the upcoming hard fork and network upgrade expected in June. So this could be interesting because it could increase scaling capabilities. So we'll see what ADA is going to do. Maybe that's why it went up. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe people are just buying on the hype right now. Not really sure. But price suggests ADA sell support at 45 cents. Reading on the, RSI, it fell to nearly 33 cents earlier this week, which suggests early signs of ADA bottoming out. Yeah, when I saw that, I was like, I need to buy more. However, the token could see strong resistance at 80 mark. Possibly, we'll see. Ether added 5.8 even as gas fees fell low. So usually when gas fees are falling, it shows like implies demand for the network, suggesting the move may be led by traders betting on the market-wide revival instead of just like actual fundamental growth. So if that makes sense. So again, when gas fees go low, it means like there's not a falling demand for the network. Sorry, I don't know why I cannot say that. So it means like less people, less demand, so the gas fees go down. Okay, does that make sense? So they're thinking maybe the traders are betting on the market-wide revival instead of actual growth of ETH. XP rose 5. Avalanche and Solana up 4. Meme coins just about 3.8. Hey, my SHIB is going up 3.8. That's cool because I'm still holding the bag on that one. I made a lot of money and then I bought back in. Dumb, because I'm dumb. That's why you guys don't do that. Don't dumb. And 2.3 respectively to underperform the broader markets. All right, again, guys, go check this out. Go to CoinDesk and check out their newsletters. Always packed full of knowledge, because sometimes you can't just sit there and read a bunch of stuff. So you get one all packed into one newsletter. Great stuff. All right, guys, at the end of the day, remember to stay awesome and keep loving each other like I love Ada. And I should have bought more on Friday, but I'm an idiot. Peace.